Hi friends, welcome back to our series of videos on industry internship supported by All India Council for Technical Education. So far we have seen the videos on AICTE industry internship guidelines, then what are the benefits for the students, and then what are the tips for the students, what are the characteristics, what are the attributes of the students to easily carrying out the industry internship in order to making the most of the internship for the benefit of the students. In order to facilitate internship for the students, AICTE has been identifying organizations or ministries both in India and abroad and signing memorandum of understandings. AICTE has signed many MoUs with industries, training institutions, government bodies which are available on the AICTE website. The institutions are requested to adequately publicize this information on their website also by the AICTE so that the students can apply for internship. Now, this effort is an iota of attempt to make the students, which are all studying in the AICTE approved technical institutions. So this video will guide you through what are all the different MoUs signed by AICTE with different organizations so that the students can get assistance or facilitation in placing them comfortably for their industry internships. Now, the first one is on Internshala. Here is the website for downloading the thing. Now, Internshala basically facilitates the top companies, as the top companies use Internshala for providing internship. All the internships and organizations are verified before listing them on platform, ensuring students safeguard. Internshala lists only with stipend internship except NGOs, because for NGOs they normally charge. More than 4 lakh internships are listed on the platform every year in the fields of engineering, management, design, architecture, law, applied arts, and other domains. The interns are offered pre-placement offer upon completion of internship, thus helping in final year placements as well. So there are no financial implications involved between either Internshala and AICTE or Internshala and participating colleges as a part of this MOU. And then we have NetIIT. It's basically a Taiwanese undertaking, memorandum of this for providing employability of meritorious Indian students of technical education. So these NetIIT develop semester-wise plan and process structures required and monitors the progress and midway correction during the semester, raise resources for providing international exposure to Indian students and synchronize activities between participating institutions in India and Taiwan. That's the part of the MOU. Then you have HireMe is another organization for a free online for students and students for jobs, provide access to web portal and mobile app to all students studying in AICTE approved colleges and help them in getting placements, help academia to understand the gaps in skills and areas of improvement. This helps bridge the gap in specific employability skills, especially in rural areas, and support them with industry-specific inputs. Then support AICTE in increasing awareness of HireMe among students, colleges, and universities by providing the required materials. So like this, there are different organizations whose details are given in AICTE-india.org or education collaborations. Now we will see all of them one by one in this. Now, as you see, the main aim of AICTE is to basically, in its technical sense, education is the process by which society deliberately transmits its accumulated knowledge, skills, and values from one generation to another. That is the reason why AICTE has collaboration with many organizations, and CII, ICBC. You will see CII, Indian Green Building Council, in which the main ideas or the objectives are basically to develop course content with support stakeholders and take consensus from AICTE, introduce course and sustainability as a part of the curriculum, and train the trainers program and course sessions by IGBC under the ambit of CII, Indian Green Building Council. That's about the thing. Then you have AICTE on with Royster Resource Private Limited. Royster Private Limited is basically a Gurgaon-based company, and what it does is basically promoting declaration of affirmative action on happiness. We organize purpose of education. Its core is to prepare our students for a happy, fulfilling life. Now, in these days where they have the MOOCs, all these things on this. Then you have AICTE and Infosys also. They have the Infosys Limited, as you all know, and basically the Infosys Springboard empowers students to learn by doing and developing holistically the preparation for emerging jobs and career opportunities. Women with a focused learning potential, specialized resources, and expert mentor for holistic development. Working professionals also, the teachers, they also train to better collaborate, and learners, they also train the NGOs. Then strategic collaboration is basically create an ecosystem to enhance digital skill quotient of students and faculty of education institutions, increase employability quotient of students, align the bridge, the gap between industry and needs of an academia. So then you have association memorandum of understanding with Heartfulness Educational Trust, and in this basically scope of the collaboration is the HET and AICTE to elect credit-based courses and foundational open elective courses, internship opportunities to students from AICTE approved organizations, and establishment of Heartfulness centers at AICTE approved institutions, and training programs to faculty members, senior leaders, all this kind. So you can explore the website like this. Then you have Energy Swaraj Foundation, and basically this Energy Swaraj Foundation will help in spreading the awareness regarding climate change, its severity and possible solutions to AICTE affiliated institutions, offer energy literacy training as certificate program, guide and provide technical assistance towards avoiding, minimizing and generating solar energy locally, provide technical guidance towards adoption of solar energy, and then as a part of Energy Swaraj Yatra, regional offices and affiliations of these things. So that's the about the Energy Swaraj Foundation. Then AICTE also has MoU with L&T EduTech platform, and this L&T EduTech platform provides basically the scope of is wherein the students of educational institutions and our affiliated institutions to AICTE will be granted free access to a few sample courses and virtual labs in engineering related topics or courses designed, developed and offered by College Connect of the L&T EduTech platform. So that's the main benefit of the L&T EduTech. Then AICTE Semitech Services India Private Limited, basically for semitech services, and whereas basically VLSI Society of India, and they will be helping in training the students in the VLSI related jobs, India Semiconductor Mission. Like this, you have AICTE and IPA. IPA is basically Indian Plumbing Association, where the students have to get exposure to propagating in plumbing, basically for water and sanitation all over India. Then this organization will help the institutions. Like this, they have AICTE has with other education institutions also, and they also have with NTA, National Testing Agency, and Eduquity, whereas the Eduquity Career Development National Testing Agencies is a all India examination conducting organization, and then Eduquity provides a scope and services shall provide the institute with a written notice of its requirements, which notice activities of its specifications and premises, infrastructure required at the premises, number of personnel required to be provided at the premises, qualifications of the personnel, time period for which the premises is required for conducting the National Testing Agency, all the competitive examinations conducted by NTA. So like this, MGN or CII is there, Confederation of Industry, Indian Industry for Young Indians. This is another MOU organized by, whereas CII Young Indians was formed in the year 2000. Here, basically, specific goals is to climatic change, building synergy, and then road safety, conducting awareness programs, gift and organ awareness programs, design thinking sessions, and entrepreneurship and mentorship programs. So they have again CII, YI, and CSTT for all these things. CSTT stands for Commission for Scientific and Technological Terminology, and this is also basically teaching process learning, content creation and textbooks, faculty development programs, skilling and vocational education, and promotion of Indian knowledge system and localization of technology. So that's about the CSTT. Like this, AICTE also Ministry of Railways, Veterans of India, EduSkills Foundation, Aspire for Her, and APJ, AKTU, MMTU. They also have SAP and Microsoft, basically to skills the SAP skills with the in association with Microsoft. So like this, RFRF, Pupil First Private Limited, ICT Academy Chennai, Samved Infotech Private Limited. So the Google India, and all these are the MOUs signed by AICTE. There are so many organizations where AICTE has signed the. So request you all to please browse this organization, AICTE-india.org, educational collaborations. Understand, go through this website, see how far which MOU helps the particular industry, particular organization, particular education institution, and particular the students. Okay, so that's all for now.